You are welcome in the class of physical education for class 12, unit 7. In this topic, we will discuss about the effects of exercise on cardiorespiratory system part 1. At first, we are trying to understand the meaning of cardiorespiratory system. Cardiorespiratory system is the combination of the two systems which are working in our body. Number one is the circulatory system and second one is the respiratory system. So on the behalf of these two systems, or we can say on the combination of working of these two systems, is called the cardiorespiratory system. Now we are trying to understand how it works, because everybody knows when we have to start or when we have to perform any strenuous exercise. So on that time we are required or we need the more energy to complete the strenuous exercise. So on the function of the respiratory and the circulatory functions in our body, that is very important or the play the important role while the strenuous exercise. So through that graph or through this topic, we are trying to understand this heart rate during exercise, how the heart rate or how the heart functions while the strenuous exercise. Because anybody knows the normal heart rate during the non-working or normal or we can say the no exercise position, their heartbeat is 72 beats per minute. It means when the heart has not performed any exercise or strenuous exercise, or we can say when the heart in a rest position, on that time the heart performs the 72 beats per minute. And when the body has performed or muscles has performed the strenuous exercise or strenuous work, so during the strenuous activity the muscles are required more energy. On that time the heart start work very fast. So on the time the heart is required the more oxygen to complete the work or activity. So it is not possible that through the stored energy is sufficient to complete the strenuous work. So on that time the heart is required the systematic functions or as well as the pulmonary diffusion also. On the behalf of that the heart has get more energy in the form of the oxygen, and it has the provide in the various parts of the body where there is a required of the energy to complete the strenuous activity. So for that, during extensive exercise the heartbeat has increased or raised up to the 20 beats per minute. Through that graph we are trying to understand this. This is the heartbeats and it is the rest position. This is the rest and the exercise has not performed by the muscles. So it is the minimum rest position or maximal exercise position. And this one the heartbeat, it has increased as per the strenuous work or activity. So in the starting or in the rest position you are just seeing in this graph the heartbeat has just started less than 80. It can also be performed 72 times or 72 beats per minute. When the exercise has started, as per that line the exercise has gone strenuous. So heartbeat has also increased as per this line. 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and up to the 200. Up to the 200 beats also raise up the heartbeat while the intensive activity or intensive exercise. So in this graph we have to see that the how the heartbeat has increased during the intensive exercises. So there is also most important thing, heart has performed while the strenuous exercise more work or need more energy, and that energy has gone in the form of blood and through the veins or arteries it has gone to the particular part of the body where there is a need of the energy. So through that we are able to understand that how the effect of exercise on the cardiorespiratory system in part 1. Thank you.